Good evening, everybody. This is Karen Marks. Okay, Freedom and I are watching TV. I have the hiccups. So when I hiccup, uh, it makes his eyes go. Freedom, what is it called? A parrot's eyes go in and out. It's called pinning. There's me on the alligator, by the way. Isn't that hilarious? Freedom, you okay? Hello. I got the hiccups, and Freedom cracks me up. Freedom. You see his eyes going in and out? He's whispering, and sometimes he has imitated me with the hiccups. Okay, Freedom. He's whispering. Okay, have a great night. Freedom, you're so silly. Okay, and here's Freedom Night in 2012. Yeah, 2012. Have a great day.